咁。
Okay. Now, last time we talked about the method of matrix. Okay, this is what AMaths is. They focus on this, so you can see very complicated manipulations, inverse and such things. But now, right, in Emaths, right, method is not that difficult. So they actually focus on the application of matrix. That means how to use a matrix, how to make it meaningful, other than solving simultaneous equations. Okay. So the first things we learn, right, is to solve simultaneous equations. Okay. But now, right, is a second method is to answer some word questions. Okay. Okay. This is not doing the simultaneous equations. Okay. What's the idea is that if I say that a matrix, okay, apple, orange, okay, in China, Singapore, Malaysia, okay, you can say 1, 1.2, 1.3, 2.0, 2.1, 2.4. You make a matrix make sense. Okay, but I will tell you that in the application matrix, the time, right, there's no one fixed answer. Okay, there is always two fixed answer. Okay, how come it's two fixed answers? Because it makes sense if you give an answer in this way, or you can give an answer in terms of China, Singapore, Malaysia, apple, orange, in this way. It both makes sense. Okay, so normally you have more than one way to do this. And how do you formulate and make some questions? Okay, you got to remember the way we play is always about the dimension. Okay, so let's come to the application. Okay, example. Okay, this one I ask you to do the question 12. Okay, because the application comes in question 60 and 7. Okay, to provide vitamin additive for patient, okay, for patients, a hospital dietitian has two prepackaged mixture variable. Mixture 1. So mixture 1 contain 6 grams of vitamin C, 4 grams of, what is that? Niacin. I don't know what is that. Okay? Niacin. Niacin. Wow. Why did they take so complicated drug? Okay. Mixture 2. Wow, so simple. Okay. 2 by 2 only. Mixture 2, right, have 5 grams of vitamin C. Okay. And 3 grams of niacin.
5, 4, 3.
Okay. So mixture 3.
3 by 2.
On an average day, no more, mixture 2 only, okay, kind of. On an average day, right, a patient needs 125 grams of vitamin C and 79 grams of niacin. Use the inverse matrix method to find the number of pack 1, how many? Mixture 1 need how many pack? Mixture 2 need how many pack? So you need use the inverse matrix method. Okay. So this is one of the applications. Okay. So how to do? Let's say this is that's what they need. Mixture 1 and mixture 2. Okay, now this is simple. This is still actually simultaneous equations. So equation. So equation before you now this is how things start. You have all these things. You think about equation. When you have equations, what is the thing that must be present in the equation? The equation must have a what sign? Team 1. Okay, very team 1. What sign? What sign is that? Yeah, the equation must have.
Equal sign.
You're good. That's what I'm asking. Okay? Equation must have equal. Okay, so I need to construct equations. So I need something equal to something. Okay, so you got to think about an English sentence. An English sentence that something equal to something in all these informations which relate to something what you find. Okay, so what do you have? Maybe I say is that this is what patient needs. Okay, and I make it 1, 2, 5, and 79. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, this is the vitamin C, this is the niacin, okay? And this is what the patient needs. Patient needs is normally what we supply, okay, supply, okay, what we give, okay? So that's maybe the way that you construct your matrix, okay? So let's do it nicely. Okay, so the right hand side is 1, 2, 5, and 79. Okay, so left hand side, okay, I will have the number of pack that I need to supply, which is package mixture 1. Say I need okay, N1. Okay, mixture 2 I need N2. Okay, so how many package of different mixture I'm going to give to patients? Okay, then I think in front. Okay, then what do we have? Remember the answer of this, right? Okay, we're going to construct backward. Okay, the answer of this, right, is done by first row, first column. Make sense? So therefore, you have this member here. You have this member times this member plus this member times this member, and give you the 1, 2, 5, which is the vitamin C. Okay? So that means, right, you need a variable of vitamin C in time number of package in package 1 plus the vitamin C in package 2 times number of package 2, then add together you're going to be equal to 1 to 5. Make sense? Okay. So therefore you construct your equation according to this way. 6 gram and 3 gram. This is 6. This is 3. Okay? Then we come to here, the same thing, the second row, first column, give me this number. So therefore, this time this plus this time this will be 79, and this is going to be the niacin's amount. Okay, so therefore you have 4
3
and 3. Okay, so once you construct this, the rest is the method of matrix. Okay, so you have 6, 3, 4, 3, and 1 and 2, and 1, 2, 5, and 79. Okay, then after that, just to use inverse matrix method. So remember you got to respect the position. If it's in front, you bring over must be in front.
3, 4, 3, inverse 1.
Good.
1, 2, 5, 79. Huh?
Oh, sorry. I'm not doing it. 1, 2, 5, 79. Okay. Good. Okay. So 1 over 6, 3 is 18.
3, 4 times 3.
Okay. And then 4, 3 is
minus
12. Okay. Then 3, 6,
minus 4 minus 3.
Yeah, minus 3. And then
1,
1,
2, 5,
2,
79.
5, and 79. You do this, you will have something. N1 and N2. Okay? Got it? So applications, okay? In the application there is no fixed way. So you just need to do more. Okay, do more. Okay, there's no fixed way to solve the questions. Okay. So let's go to the next one. You can go back and try this again. Anyway, any problem come to video.
Easy, right?
Not easy. Come on. Not easy. You need to see which row, which column, then you know what number, and you want to see the total dimensions and how much you want to put in. Okay? Yeah. It takes some time to try to construct it. Okay? Once you constructed it, solving is of course easy. Okay? Because there's a fixed method. Okay, now 17, right? Jane wants to prepare a special diet for her pet. Now it's her pet again. She requires a food mixture that contains, among other things, 29 ounces of protein. This guy always a protein drug. He's a doctor. I don't know. And 6 ounces of fat.
Fat?
Yep.
For?
I don't know. For her pet, I don't know what pet is it. food mix available with what? This pet only needs protein and fat, no need carbohydrate. Cool. what kind of pet can it be? Okay. This is what she need. A special diet for the question or diet. Okay. You require a food mixture that contain among other things, actually not also this. So this is what she needs. Okay. This is what the pet needs. Okay, pet needs. Okay, so there is two type of mixture you can have, and they're just asking how many pack of each mix is need the same thing. This guy cannot come up any better questions than this. Okay, don't worry, the Emaths, the 10 series inside got a lot of good questions. Okay, this is too redundant. Anyway, let's do it. Okay, the table is this way. Okay, the mixture A, the mixture B. Okay, the mixture A, right? Protein percentage, fat percentage. Okay, and they give you percentage. This is weird. Not okay. The question is wrong. I think 20 and 2, 10 and 6.
No, not yet. The question is wrong.
Okay, no, okay. See whether we can get it. Okay. The question says, how many ounces of each mixture is needed? Okay. They give percentage, you know. And they ask, say this is the ounce needed. So this is the ounce. Okay. So let I need.
So it's ounce or percentage?
It's ounce. That's actually what they need. But the table is given as percentage, not ounce.
Then the one is 29 ounce, then this one 20%.
Yep, correct.
What?
That means in these mixtures, right, the mixture itself, right, the food,
20%
of this food is protein, 2% is fat. So you got to see how many ounces of the A is needed. Okay. Okay. So well, doesn't matter. So let's say the number of ounces needed for this mixture A, mixture B be NA and NB. Okay. So same thing, quadratic equations. Okay. So what do you have at the right hand side here? Okay. I tell you this question is the same as the last one. So what do you put here?
29 and 6.
Good. So this is what I need. Okay. So here.
N1 and 2.
Good. This is the how many ounces needed. How many ounces of the pack needed? NA and NB. Okay. So this time this got to equal 29, right? And if I say there are, let's say 100 ounces, if you put this number inside, I will have 100 ounces of protein time 20%. So I only have, let's say 20 ounces. Make sense? Get what I mean? Sure. So actually this is the same thing. We just put the correct things, right? It's this time this, then this time this, and give me all the proteins, right? So this got to be protein due to
20.
this. So you don't put 20 here, because if I say 10 ounces here, okay, if you time this way, it will become 200 ounces of protein. Okay, that's too much. I just need 29 ounces only. Okay. In fact, right, so what must I put here is that if I put 10 ounces, right, okay, this is actually a percentage of 10 ounces. Okay. It is something like 20, but it's not exactly 20. We should put 20%.
Which is also 20.
Which is not 20. 20% is actually 0.22. So that if I put 100 ounces, if I buy 100 ounces, right? So 100 ounces times 20%.
You have 20 ounces.
You have 20 ounces of protein. That makes sense?
Yes.
Okay, so this one, right? The difference in this question is that they give you 20, you do not put 20. Because the multiplication got to give the meaning of it. Okay, so this is why you put 0.2 or 20%. Okay, this one, and then here, right, this one got to time here, give me the things here. Okay, so this got to be the contribution. If I put how many ohms there, so how many potential I actually get. Okay, so this is why you got to put 10%. Okay, 10% 0.1, right? Okay, so that in here, whatever, how many ohms of B you purchase, right, times 0.1 will be the total amount. Okay, so this one got to time this, give me here, so therefore got to be the percentage of effect in MA. So this is why 0.02 or 2%. Okay, this one 0.06. Okay, then use the inverse matrix method to find it. Got it? Okay, so we focus on how we formulate our equation and what is needed. Okay, okay, go ahead and try these two questions yourself. Okay, 16 and 17. Okay, we have one more. We go to new chapter. Okay, today we do logarithm. Okay, Emaths.